671 Bombs for Josh, part 21. We're editing the Bombs for Josh shader, which is shader source number 8. So in the ARTGIRL shader macros within our conceptual shader macros file, smacros, we have declared U64, and that's just a uint32 cast of 64. This is for convenience. In the ARTGIRL shader strings all the way down in shader source fragment number 8, which is the Bombs for Josh shader, if we scroll down here, within the main entry point of Bombs for Josh, we've added a little bit more code. We have Bombs for Josh vars, and this is error BFJ. When this gets set to a non-zero value, that means that there is an error somewhere in our shader code, and we're going to set down like a red pixel or something to let us know that something's gone wrong. In the Texel units, we've added 3 new Texel units, and they are the hotel coordinate on a 3x3 grid, the room coordinate on a 5x5 grid, and the tile coordinate on a 64x64 grid. So this is the tile address of a 1x tile corresponding to the current sample chord. So let's scroll down here. So here's the math in the Where's My Hotel Room section beneath Write Then Refact. So the basic math is we're going to take the discrete unit global, the global sample chord somewhere within our world space, and divide by the number of discrete units in a hotel, number of discrete units in a room, number of discrete units in a tile, and then we get these values. Now we have to modulate these values to make sure they're correct. So right here, all we're doing is kind of hand-rolled modulus here, which is very annoying. Basically, all we got to do here is this is the whole amount of values, right? This is the value that needs to be modulated, and we're going to divide and then multiply. And this right here is going to calculate an anti-remainder. So if we take all of the units and subtract the anti-remainder, then we get the remainder. So, right, modulus is just the remainder of whatever you modulo by. So the remainder of dividing by 3, remainder of dividing by 5, remainder of dividing by 64 to get these values into the correct range. And then if LMC is not equal to T64, then we're going to set our error flag. So we're going to use T64 just to error check the calculations from the previous video. Then right here, in the error color section, if the error flag is turned on, we're going to set a red pixel rather than the default color. So if you want a longer explanation, you will have to go here to Ninja Coder. We do not have time here on Kanji Coder. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me are here. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder.